All right, everybody, we're on the next question in the homework, and it's still a binomial calculator. So you see this, you have to make sure you open that. And this question's a bit tedious because we have to put in 4 answers. So let's begin with the number of trials. So you can see there it says trials n equals 5, and then the probability is 0.149. So over here on the right, I'm going to start that. So I'm going to start with my probability, 0.149. The number of trials is 5. All right, and then if you look over here in this column here, all right, so it tells you what each value should be. So when we start here, we have x equals 0. When we go to the next one, it's x equals 1, and so forth. All right, so over here on the right, I have to do that and then copy the, report the answer in the homework. So let's try that. We'll put a 0 in here first and do calculate. All right, and so the answer I want is the first one right there, 0.4463. All right, so that's going to be my first answer, Blake. So I'm going to pull up my actual homework and type them in as I go, because sometimes the homework doesn't like your answer due to some rounding issues. So I'm going to do 4463. All right, and then for the second one, I got to just change this over here to a 1. And I hit calculate again, and I do it again. So the probability of exactly 2 out of 5 times with a probability of about 15%, I'm going to get 0.3907. Whoops, I have a typo. 3907. All right, so the next one is 2. I'm going to keep typing these in. I'm going to pause the video so that you can finally see my last answer as I go through it, because I said it's just repetitive as I keep going. So I'll pause it and I'll pick it up once I have all the answers typed in. All right, so I'm back at it. You can see I've typed in all the answers. I got to the last number, which is 5. Please be aware that sometimes the rounding on this is an issue. So let me submit this and see what happens. And I did get them all right, but if you have really small numbers in here, what you'll want to do is you'll want to actually message me. So if you click this down here, it says message instructor about the question. Please do that if 1 or 2 of your choices do not actually work out with the rounding. All right, so this one gives me the binomial probability for each event occurring. So this is like rolling the dice. What's the probability of not, because 15% is close to 16.7%. What's the probability of not getting anything, like the number you want? So 0 events, 44%. Of 1 time, 39%. Twice. So if you get all the way down to here, 5, it's like rolling 5 dice and getting that same number 5 times, except it's a little bit lower on the probability, but that's how you can think about it. The chance of actually rolling all 5 being the same number that you selected is really a small amount. All right, so I hope this helps.